This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Remove the plastic cover from the rear of the headlight. As access is limited, use a pair of pliers to rotate the bulb anti-clockwise a little and pull it from the reflector. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, connect the wiring plug to the bulb. Insert the bulb into the reflector, then rotate it clockwise to secure it. Refit the cover to the headlight. Reach behind the headlight and remove the cover. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Press the top of the retaining clip to one side and fold it down. Withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the new bulb into the reflector with the locating lug uppermost. Fold up the retaining clip and engage it with the catch. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals. Refit the cover. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.